Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Emo app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps list here, and here can you looking for Emo app, or just click here on search. So then here add Emo, then you click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on for stop, so then you click here on OK, then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on your Play Store here, then here you search for your Emo app. It's going to show for you here. Update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.